What is up, everyone? This is my first ever vlog, and today we're going to be working on a Honda CB650 cafe racer. Let's go. So the big challenge today is to fit up the new cafe racer style seat. And as you can see, when we lay it on there, it's a little bit slanted back. So we want to kind of prop it up to about right there. So for this, we're going to have to build 2 custom brackets to 1, hold the weight of someone on the seat, and 2, prop up the seat. So we're thinking something similar to this one back here, but a little bit further forward, so it would be right under the person when they're sitting, and it'll also help to bolt the seat down so it doesn't fly out. And we can keep that fender underneath just to protect it from dirt flying up. Electrical system's already tucked in. That's where it would bolt up, right around there. So we gotta take our measurements and get to work. So right here we wedged a little piece of plastic in the back just to show the angle that we want, and that's about where we want it to be once we're done. You can see that nice straight look from the tank back. It's gonna have a little gap right there, but it's gonna look nice once it's all painted black. We'll have the brackets right underneath where the person sits, and that's just about the angle. So we're gonna go take some measurements, make some brackets, weld them all together. Let's check it out. I'm not sure if this is the best way to protect things, but we use wet rags, kind of cover up the carburetors, some wiring that's in the way, because we don't want to take apart the whole bike right now. So this bike, it seems like it was a cafe racer at some point before, but it was converted back to normal, so we're just kind of converting it back. Since a lot of pieces didn't match the original bike, so it was still some sort of Frankenstein monster thing. So here we have a mock-up of the bracket that we are going to make. We cut out all the pieces, cut out some angle metal, and we're just trying to place it where our measurements were. It's about, so we need 2. We need one way back there and one in the front. So the one in the front needs to be a little lower, the one in the back a little higher. So this one is perfect height for the back, which is about 2.5 inches. And that's about where we want it to be when we're done. So it's mocked up, it's held together by masking tape right now. So once we get it right in place, we're gonna weld it all up and weld it into the frame. So now that we got it mocked up, now we got it welded, we're gonna mock up the seat, check out how it fits before we finish welding it into the frame, before we make that permanent weld. We'll get the tank right in there just to make sure we got the right fitment. As you can see, we went ahead and made a second bracket a little bit lower, put it right in front of it, and we're just going to put the tank in there and check the fitment once again before we weld those both into the frame, and we'll be kind of stuck with them, or we can cut them, but it's a whole hassle. So final mock-up time. The front one needs to be cut a little bit lower, so I'm just drawing those lines right now so we can cut it, give it the proper angle. Over here that we just cut them, cool it down in the snow. So that should be our lower piece in the front. There it is. There she is. Should be right where the weight would be. Bolted up. Perfect angle. Time to do some welding. This is the final product here. That's what the seat looks like with both brackets welded in. And I'd say it looks pretty good. I mean, we got a nice little angle going. The bike looks pretty straight. We were looking to weld in a plate holder right in the back right there. So that's what we're mocking up right now. It's a little piece of metal just to hold the plate. I'll show it a little bit later. But yeah, it looks pretty good, I'd say. Get some weight on there, feels pretty solid. Looks pretty good. Fits great. Great fitment right there. Okay, so we just got done welding these bad boys in here. We'll withstand a truck, 500-pound man or woman can hold anything. So the big challenge was getting the seat level, which these bad boys take care of. Let's see what it looks like. Just sit back there. Boom. Look at that. Nice level beauty. So whoever had this bike, it seems like they had it as a cafe racer, because they modified the frame right here. Not bad. This is what I just did now. Props the seat up. So it looks pretty cool. It's got a custom front headlight thing, cowl, whatever you call it. Fiberglass. So all we need is paint. So we get a nice day out here, we'll be ready to go. Check her out.